Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun we're going to be having a review and look at something a bit different this time. It's called a Hurricane 2 Canless Air system, and basically if you've seen those compressed air tins, you'll know that they tend to cause a moisture effect if you use them for quite some time, and they also get super cold. So this is something that's a bit different. It's basically just an air blower, but a handheld one, and you can use it to clean dust from electrical appliances, and also if you're about to do some soldering or preparation work, you want to clean any particles away, you could also use this for that. Anyway, so what I want to do is basically do an unboxing and then I'll show you an operation. Okay, so that's everything that came in the box. It basically came with a professional safety advert that obviously talks about the fact that the compressed air cans can be hazardous to use. Then it came with a couple of extension bars, which are quite nice. It's got 3 altogether, and then it's got a sort of a finer nozzle for closer spraying of the air, and also one which has got a brush on it too, which is quite neat. Then you've got the actual charging brick, and then finally you've got the unit itself, which is quite heavy and quite well made. Okay, so I've got a tin of compressed air and I've got the Hurricane 2, and as you can see they're of similar size. Of course the Hurricane 2 is going to weigh more than the compressed tin of air. Now there are a lot of safety features that the Hurricane 2 really has over the tin of compressed air. And you might think, well, that's funny saying safety features, but operating a tin of compressed air can be quite dangerous. I mean, it is a fire hazard. It does get very cold to hold in one's hand, and it also produces moisture. So if you're working with electronics, you don't want to actually have those issues of moisture and getting very cold. Now with the Hurricane 2, you don't actually have those, so that makes it a much more safer device to operate. Now basically, you've got your charging port here where you charge the internal battery, and then you have the trigger on the front, and that's very much all you have to use to operate it. And when you press the trigger, it shoots a tremendous amount of air, which is really strong and will push any dirt or dust well and truly out the way. Now, once you add the long nozzle to this unit, and you've got the furry brush at the end, you have got an awesome amount of direction. So you can definitely push stuff out the way and clear it, and you've really got a lot of control then. It's almost like you've got like a paintbrush with air on it. Anyway, what I want to do now is, I've got an old PC that's gathering a lot of dust. I don't use it, but what I want to do is demonstrate this device in action, actually clearing the dust away. Well, there you go, there's some action of the Hurricane 2 Canless Air Blower, and overall I think it's a great product, and I definitely will be using it not just for cleaning electrical stuff. I'll also use it probably for my product table because my cats tend to jump on it and leave hairs anyway. So overall I can definitely recommend this unit. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.